Listen to The Missed Flight, Level A2.
Emma had to catch a very important flight, but guess what? She overslept. When she finally woke up, she knew she was running late. In a big hurry, Emma tried to get ready super fast. She put on her clothes really quickly, brushed her teeth in a rush, and grabbed her suitcase. Then she called a taxi to take her to the airport because time was ticking away. The taxi driver, Mr. Johnson, could see the worry on Emma's face. "Don't worry, miss. We'll get you there as fast as we can," he assured her. Emma and Mr. Johnson hurried to the airport, but they were too late. The doors to the plane were closing, and Emma missed it. She felt really sad and started crying. She wanted to be on that plane so bad. Mr. Johnson and the taxi driver looked at Emma with a mysterious smile. He was a neat man with a friendly smile. He wore a clean uniform, like taxi drivers do, and he had a cap on his head. He said, "Sometimes things happen for a reason." But Emma cried, "I'd do anything to catch that flight." Mr. Johnson wanted to help her. He said, "Let me show you something." Then, something really cool happened. Mr. Johnson did a magic trick, and he used an old, special pocket watch that looked like it belonged to someone from a long time ago. Suddenly, Emma wasn't at the airport anymore. She was back, in her apartment, and it was 3 hours earlier. It was like going back in time.
Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more English stories like this.
This time, Emma made sure to wake up early, which was a good start. She got into Mr. Johnson's taxi, feeling happy about going to the airport. "So what's up with the watch? It's magic, isn't it?" Emma asked. Mr. Johnson smiled. "Depends on what you call magic, but it's very, very old. It belonged to my grandpa and has been in the family for a long time. It really helped me, you know. I'm so happy I met you on this day, you and your amazing watch." But then, during the ride, Emma remembered she forgot her passport at home. She got really worried and asked Mr. Johnson to turn the taxi back. They went back to her house, and she looked everywhere for her passport. But even though she tried her best, she couldn't find it in time, and she missed the flight again. Emma felt very sad. She told Mr. Johnson what happened. He said maybe missing the flight twice means it's better this way. But Emma really wanted to try one more time, so she asked, "Please, let's try again." Once again, Mr. Johnson used his pocket watch again. Emma was back in her apartment again. This time, Emma didn't oversleep. She checked her documents, making sure everything was in place. They reached the airport just in time. Grateful for Mr. Johnson's help, Emma hugged him tightly before boarding the plane. Mr. Johnson drove back home, listening to the radio. He heard something disturbing and had to turn the volume up to listen carefully. The announcement was as follows. "We regret to inform you that Flight 123 from New York to London has crashed. No one survived. Our thoughts are with the families of the passengers and the crew members." As Mr. Johnson listened to the sad announcement, he took his pocket watch out, looked at it with a sad smile, sighed, and put it back in his pocket. She didn't know that she was lucky.
Do you want more English audiobooks with word-by-word translations? Check out appiwa.com. You can read books and learn new words every day. And now enjoy another English story.